didn't know time was of the essence. So many questions, but I'm talking to myself. I know that you can't hear me anymore, not anymore. So much to tell you, and most of all goodbye, but I know that you can't hear me anymore. It's so loud inside my head with words that I should have said. As I drown in my regrets, I can't take back the words I never said. Never said. I can't take back the words I never said.
Xin chào các bạn, các bạn sẽ có những